The Banyan Wing's deluxe rooms are a bit more spacious and offer several configurations for different travelers. Choose 1 king or 2 queen beds in a room that blends classic elements with contemporary updates. Views span from ocean scenes to Waikiki's city views. Each room includes a workspace and custom furnishings, including new wardrobes accented with NoHo Home textiles. Artwork inspired by Limu adds gentle movement and texture. Custom headboards include thoughtfully placed power outlet panels featuring standard electrical outlets alongside USB-A and USB-C ports. All renovated rooms feature upgraded refreshment centers with a mini refrigerator, coffee station, and glassware. Some deluxe rooms include a balcony for enjoying the trade winds. Others offer an inviting interior detail for unwinding after a day in Waikiki. Every detail, from curated decor to soft tonal palettes, is crafted for ease and restoration.